Hello, my name is Margaret Ricks. I'm a University of Maryland senior in mechanical engineering, minoring in computer science. This video is for my LiDar project, which is for my remote sensing class. We are building our LiDar instruments and deploying them on our target and using those scans to create a 3D point cloud of our object. My target is the chairs and the table at the computer science building. I chose this as my target because I walk by those chairs and table every day. This is my LiDAR setup. Here I have my screen that is connected to my Raspberry Pi. This is my portable battery that I take to my target and powers my Raspberry Pi. This is the accelerometer and it is recording my Y values. I also am using a laser and it is 12 inches away from my camera. As the target is farther away, the laser spot on the camera moves in the X direction to the left. We use this idea of geometry to find our range. Parameters for our range are found by calibration by recording the X and Y pixel distances at known target distances. Here you can see that the laser spot on the camera is moving in the X direction as the target becomes closer to the camera. This is my LiDAR setup. This is the view range of my camera in order to only see my laser spot. Printed on the camera screen in red is my process range values in inches. This is something I added because it gives me an idea of how good of range values I'm actually getting. In the terminal is my process range values and my Y angle values. This I also added for simplifying the amount of data that goes into the text file, which will then be processed in MATLAB. I will now demonstrate how I take a single scan. The camera follows the position of the laser as I scan the object vertically, which causes the laser spot to vary across the x-axis on the camera in pixels.
Ela pula, ela sabe a bula, ela samba, ela canta, ela anda na ponta dos pés. Ela é minha cara, ela é joia rara, ela é linda, ararinha, é o meu amor. Vou batendo asas na alma.
This is the process data of the chair. And as you can see, it looks very similar to the actual chair on the left. This is the side view. You can see the back of the chair and where you would sit. You can also see the armrest and the legs of the chair.
Ela ginga, é como uma flor. Ela brinca, ela sai na brisa, ela anima.
This is the process data for the table, and as you can see the top of it and its single leg, which is very close to what you see to the actual table on the left. Here's the top view of it. You can see its almost circular, but also there was data points that are missing.
Na vida. Só com ela eu sou, ela é meu amor. Fly love.
This is the 3D mesh of the 3D point cloud. Here you can see the chair and the table. Right there is the chair. You can see the back of the chair, and in the front, the legs. Here you can also see the tabletop and the single leg of the table. And it's partly cut off. If I turn it to the side, you can see the back of the chair. You can see the shape where it curves in right there. And you can also see the front. And you can see where the slats are supposed to be.